Okay, we're talking about the 5 horsepower outboard motor. Today we're going to talk about resetting your trim, and it's super simple, and let's get to it. It's real easy. So I'm going to lift up the motor so we can just see a little bit better. So lift it up, and there's a little rod, I call it the candy cane because it just has, it looks like a candy cane on the end. And it's right here, and there's all different kinds of settings. So you just push it in a little bit, and that just moves back and forth. Put the lever in there, you pull it out, and this is what it looks like. And so you can set it to your desired spot, wherever that might be. And then flip it sideways, and it stays in there, and you're ready to go. So you put it back down, and it'll set your trim angle wherever you like it, and it's that simple.